A lady identified as Nana have been reportedly poisoned by some of her friends after revealing her plans to travel to the UK. My people.
Nana Joa, Yabutere, you Nana Joa.
My people, this video where I bring up for now today, a very sad one. In concern one Jennifer Anthony, 300 level student of Just, with a pie for one side, and who kill him, na a boyfriend, na kill him. They say the last scene with the boy, when they cruise, they enjoy, they can't get to lodge for hotel. As they lodge for hotel now, nobody know as the boy take doing. But later on, they can't get to find, say, he don't pluck up her eyes, remove some parts come off from her body. No be smarty, no. Waiting, we say we dey fine. Eh? People want to make quick money. Especially these are our young boys and young girls. And our guests now, they not gonna know how they make the money. What did they want here be say the person get money, he go fit take care of them. They go just jump into a relationship like that without knowing who they go out with. This one a lesson to people. This one a lesson where we must learn. We must be aware. We must be careful. See the way this girl just stayed there like that. And according to the story now, they say now during Christmas period, now this thing take happen. Our boys, why it be say our body they hot like this? We just need the money fast. Eh? We don't want hustle. We don't want struggle. What we want to be say, we want be like Mr. A, we want be like Mr. B. We don't know the way we be say that they make their money. Why? What did they happen? Eh? Patience, they say that be the key. Jobs, they, if you feel learn handwork, and it will make you become person tomorrow. If you go school, you finish your school, you not see job, you go learn work. Not everybody will travel at. Now they make them for abroad. People even dey house will be say they get money. Yes, they get money past the ones who they abroad safe. Deal with what you know so you sabi do. What you sabi do and where. And you go succeed and you go progress. You go grow. No, because say you see your friend say you don't hammer, you don't build us, you don't buy car. You self want to do what you do. The consequence they front to. You feel don't join ritual, you feel don't use person. But the consequence they front. Bible talk and say, if you kill by gun, you go die by gun. So though anything you take it, you go still die by that same thing. Anytime they around my people, make we dey careful. Our guests, my people, story where they bring come our table almost every day. Not be small, not be all go fit bring come out. Both one they do ritual, you can't craze. Eh? Today you go here say they remove person eye. They remove person leg. They remove person hand. Some of our boys, their body they hot. They want make money fast. So I beg our guests, make we dey careful. Make we dey careful. So they use their mama, use their papa. You not concerned. So what make the money come out? But wait till be the gain. After you don't enjoy, later you can't suffer put. Because as you they bring, time go come, they go say na your head na be next. Yes. You don't go feel use person finish, you go say you want to enjoy forever. No. The consequence the way for you. Try. See the way this girl take die come out for life. See the way this boy just stay move up more for this world. No be smart, no. On to another video, my people. This video I break up for now today. Now 3-1. The other one I about One Ghana girl will be say the girlfriend carry go early grave. Wetin happen? They say na so they deceive her. They cannot go out. The girl say that they happy with her because she get tell them say she want travel out, go UK. Opportunity come for her. She tell her friends. Now there they come plan her, take her out. Now people. She go with them. They give her what they give her for there. Now so she die. Chai, what did they happen for this our country? Oh, what did they happen? Hatred, jealousy everywhere, no love, no unity. Your friend no better. You won't go come. Now to take the person life. Why you not wait for your time? Everybody gets in your own time. This girl na think say na friends he gets, no say na enemy. Now people, trust no one, no. Trust no one. Not be wrong thing, no. Not be bad thing to tell person say God don't do it for you. You want move forward or you want travel out. Not be bad thing before, but this time around, na bad thing, no. Not tell anybody say you want travel or see what you dey plan, because not be everybody will smile with you now welcome you. Yes. Not be all of them embrace you, say yes, it don't better for you. No. Some day with the verse. May our gentle soul rest in peace. And my condolence go to the family. On to another one, my people, Jare.
See who we got here. My baby. See how you've grown. My daughter. My daughter. Aww. You have broken something. You have broken something. China, you have broken something, Jesus.
Thank you.
What kind of excitement is this? You have broken. You know well. You know well. You're welcome, darling.
I love you.
Chai. They say love, they sweet. Oh, this video where I break off on her today. Now about our drama doll, our Nollywood and talented actress. She don't surprise our pikin. Oh, she don't surprise our own adopted daughter with iPhone and open another Instagram account. Una know what if it happen before we consign this girl. Where God show mercy, where God bless. They say who God don't bless, no one can cause. So chai. Yes, so see the excitement with the inside this girl. See her face. See how she dey rejoice. She dey happy. Where Nollywood actor take surprise her with phone and open another Instagram account. Anyway, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet una according to una time. And maybe una sister and girl say they give na the latest gist wey concern celebrity, lifestyle, entertainment, and more. Yes, so I don't come again. Oh, this one concern our beautiful and talented actress. So she don't hit another one. She don't surprise our own adopted daughter. Yes, so my people, more gonna join me. Congratulate and celebrate with her.
My star girl. How are you, darling? What's that? Your phone? Yeah. Your techno phone, and it's quite broken. I'm sorry. Anyways, I've decided to open a new Instagram account for you. Quite unfortunate that the rest we're taking down, but no, we're not going to stop. This is a new year, new vibe. We're opening a new slate. Yeah. So I want my girl to have a new phone. So I got you one. I got you one.
No.
No, yeah. Yeah. I got you one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a real iPhone.